and then there is a art hanging on the wall, and it just have a stupid line, nothing else. And then people are standing and they are saying that nice piece of art. Have you seen this thing happening in your life? This building is falling water, USA, designed by F.L. Wright. Spelling I don't remember. F.L. Wright. Frank Lloyd Wright is the architect. If any one of you have learned the architect's name, then you must be knowing that there is one architect, F.L. Wright, there in the booklet, and there's a building called Falling Water, USA. Now, what is so interesting in this building is, see, the concept of organic architecture. It is given. Okay, I will give you an example. Have you seen those people? I mean, who goes to an art gallery, and then there is a art hanging on the wall, and it just have a stupid line, nothing else. And then people are standing and they are saying that nice piece of art. Have you seen this thing happening in your life? This thing happens. Okay, why they are saying? Why they say that it's a nice piece of art or anything? Why? Is the drawing really good, or what is there which makes them say this? The, just answer whatever is in your mind. Arpita, do you have anything to say here? Artists are stupid.
No, sir.
Then,
Sir, to be honest, आज तक मुझे भी नहीं पता लगा कि उस पेंटिंग में उनको क्या दिखता है that they say like
अच्छा.
it's so costly and
Okay.
so on.
Oh, yeah, but it happens, right? You are getting the point. It happens. Why? What happens there? Because generally these artists, they try to convey something from their art. Okay, it's not specifically that a person who is able to draw my portrait as it is, so that it looks like a real picture, will be considered as great artist. No, maybe someone who will just describe the feeling which is in my heart, okay, by some sort of lines, okay, which for a normal person it will appear stupidity. That is also art. Are you getting me? So generally, why they are saying? Because it's having some theory hidden behind, some logic, some thought hidden behind. Similarly, in architecture also, we have some theories, and one of the theory is organic architecture. Organic architecture, they say that design a building so that it will become the part of the surrounding. See, in this task, this falling water is a residence of a person. Okay, when this architect got this, when Frank Lloyd Wright got this opportunity to design this building, which is in between of a jungle, in between a jungle, then he had this, he could have been doing a building made out of glass completely, with DJ light, with everything, with ACP cladding, looking so properly modern. But that, in theoretical term, that building will be appearing as a disrespect to the jungle. Are you getting this thing? Because it is opposing the jungle. Okay, it is not appearing as a part of the jungle. So in that case, this term was invented by Frank Lloyd Wright. He take out this term, which is called organic architecture, in which we design a building so that it will appear, it will become the part of the surrounding. There was a waterfall in this site. Okay, so he made it, he used it in the structure, in the design. Okay, the trees were not, no tree he cut. Okay, so everything he used in the design. That's what organic architecture is. I hope things are clear. Okay. Now next one, partition wall.